नमस्कार दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हट के चैनल पर। आज हम आपके लिए एसएससी सीजीएल टायर 3 2019 डिस्क्रिप्टिव सीरीज में एक नया टॉपिक लेके आए हैं, रोल ऑफ वुमेन इन आर्म्ड फोर्सेस। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इन रिकॉर्डेड ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री, women have been part of each and every campaign, performing variety of tasks such as ammunition carriers, picking up weapons of fallen soldiers, washing, mending, and cooking. What is the today's representation of women in armed forces? World War II, Vietnam War, etc. have affected the intake of male recruits in Europe, Asian Army, and USA. That led to induction of women soldiers to fill their vacancies. The USA has the highest representation of nearly 14% women soldiers today. Other European countries also have healthy number of women soldiers in armed forces. The pioneer of the integration of women in South Asia, both in officers and ranks, was the Sri Lankan Armed Forces in 1984, followed by India in officer rank in 1991 and Nepal in 2003. So what is the Supreme Court's verdict? Recent verdict came of Supreme Court regarding the role of regarding the women in armed forces. The induction of women in Indian Army started with a grant of Short Service Commission for 5 years in the year 1991. Then it was increased to 14 years over the time. Presently, women officers are getting commissioned into the services, for example, ASC, AOC, EME, and combat support arms of engineers, signals, and ARD, in addition to the medical corps. Recent ruling of Supreme Court and High Court to allow permanent commission to women has made all three services to think as to future of women in Indian Armed Forces. What is the future of women in armed forces? Due to huge increase in military powers of the nations, powers like USA, China, Russia, and India would like to avoid direct confrontation. Hence, the future wars will take place under the umbrella of technology. This will involve a tech-savvy force which will create larger employment for women in armed forces. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the essay, please comment in the comment section below and let me know. Till then, bye bye, keep coming.